drawer of the box.
Cough drops.
Good girl.
Cough drops.
Get the cough drops.
Cough drops.
Good girl.
Get the cough drops.
Come on, get the cough drops. Get the cough drops. Good girl. Good girl. Good girl.
Get the cough drops.
There must be stuff a little loosen them up.
No, it's just a smaller box, I think.
Okay.
Get the cough drops.
Oh, good
Oh, boy.
girl.
Good girl,
She
Sable.
unwraps it. Gotta give her one. She unwraps it.
She unwraps it?
Yeah.
Take a cough drop for your cough. This is very good for your cough.
Okay, unwrap it.
How does she unwrap it?
You'll see.
Now she's unwrapping the cough drop. And then she's going to eat the cough drop.
Did she unwrap?
And you'll see she won't cough anymore. Coughing will be all over. Ah, she looks better already. The cough is going away, Jackie. Cough is gone.
Did she unwrap it? No.
She's chewing it through the paper.
She'll spit out the paper.
Oh.
Good girl. Next we're gonna do hide the hot
She,
dog.
she unwrapped it, but go ahead.
Do you have a hot dog?
I'm gonna get one. You'll take her out. I'll hide it, and then you'll come in.
Okay.
You're getting a mess on your carpet here.
All right.
Good girl!
Very good.
Good, Sable.